Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to be thanking someone that is very special to me. After my sixth or my seventh edition, she reached out, one of our top fans, she reached out and she gave me a list of books to choose from. And I choose this particular book because it's about ballet and I love ballet. So I'm going to tag the person I'm talking about in this video. So after 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 I picked the book, 2 or 3 days after the book was delivered to me, and I'm going to be telling you the storyline, and I'm going to be sharing with you the storyline. After which I've read the book and understood everything in this book. So so this is to tell you a very big thank you. She sent in some words of encouragement, and those meant a lot to me. Thank you once more, and bye.